Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. Today, Tuesday, 16 April 2024. My trade directions for today will be long on the US, the pound and the Swiss, and short on the yen, the New Zealand and the Australian dollar. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea. So let's get started. Dollar index still just very bullish. Don't have to say much about this, about the Israeli war. But dollars keep pushing. You can see the dollar and the Swiss, the two safe havens, is flying up the page, and the dollar strength will just keep going. We should see a retracement on a stage, but at this stage it just doesn't seem there's any stop to it. A big candle, small one, big one, small one, so most likely another big one today. It should find resistance around those areas technically, and then we will see what will happen from there. But we will see a retracement on a stage. But for now, dollar strength, long-term, medium, short-term, intraday, everything just dollar bullish. Then gold, after a nice big spike down the page yesterday, it retraces a little bit too far for me in this swing here. Let me first show you this swing. See, this swing was very deep, 70, almost 100% retracement, showing some weakness in the bull run. And as it now retraces to the 61% level, we see some heavy resistance coming in. And this could mean another leg down the page on gold. So don't get sucked in. Don't get sucked into these things. They most likely just bounces, like I explained yesterday on the cryptocurrencies, because exactly what happened on Bitcoin. See, we had the bounce and it looked very strong yesterday, but I warned you. I said, be aware that this thing could retest just and then come down. It did it with a lot of them. Some of them didn't even reach the lines before it started to sell off. But Bitcoin is the main driver. And you can see that the Bitcoin's still there. So this could come back down another leg. So for now, I'm sitting on my hands. I'm not doing much on any cryptocurrencies at this stage until I just start to see a nice trend again. You can see the trend is red, and I will stick to that. I just won't trade that. You can see how accurate this trend change was. It just gave you a last chance here on the bull side, and then the bear side started, and it just kept you from taking any trades for that matter. Right. So cryptos, be aware currently. Just let them, give them chance to confirm. Let the bulls confirm their enthusiasm, their territory, let them take it back. You know, I always like to say that I don't want to be part of the process where the market tries to find direction. I want to wait for the market to find direction, and then I'll join in. That's just my personal opinion. In the US Swiss, got that long, missed the target, that got hit yesterday. So nicely done, guys. Well done on this trade. So you got the target hit on this one, and that's another nice trade that we've covered. Yeah. But with the US and the Swiss both very strong, most likely it's going to go sideways. So I'm going to remove it from my watch list for today. Just celebrating the winning trade. And the CAD Swiss gave you this level yesterday and tested very nicely there yesterday afternoon, evening, and bearish engulfing. So there was the short coming down the page. The problem was the risk reward. The risk on this one was about 30, let's call it 35 pips. So down here we didn't even get that. But the fact that we made a new low here and starting to push back, I'll at least pull my stop loss to entry now. Whatever your entry was there, pull your stop loss there, that you can't lose money. Then we can set some targets on this last directional swings there, and we can use this 1.27 and 1.618 Fibonacci. So you can see they're getting nicely confirmed by previous structure there and there. So this will at least give you just less than 1 to 1.5, but at least it's a good place to lighten up, and then the balance of the trade. Yeah, with the stop loss at entry, we can only break even or then make some money if it starts to come down. You can see that the CAD here is in the neutral zone, but Swiss is still very strong. So we're still in the correct direction. So I'm just going to sit. If it goes up, I'll stop out at entry. Other than that, we might see some nice targets. US yen. Oh, trend catcher took the target yesterday. Beautiful. It's a big trade. The robot that I run on live stream on YouTube, you can watch it at any time. Also, you can see this indicator running there. So the latest swing here up to those highs, the retracement back to 61% Fibonacci level is this previous one on the previous swing. So I'm waiting for this retracement. When it gets back here, I'll then look for some long setups on some candle pattern reversals. Then some on the indices. Nasdaq, big drop yesterday. And now this last directional swing between the 50 and 61%, there's a market structure here, which I will be using. And if this can retrace back up there and I can get a counter reversal there, I'll then look for shorts, because we got a strong dollar and that is stock market negative. The trend is bearish. Well, it's bearish based on that indicator. The rest looks very choppy. But I think I'm comfortable with that. There was a big level coming in here, this area here. So a retest there should give me an opportunity to look for some shorts. S&P 500 looks a little bit better for me. It's more trendy. You can see all the black candles are big ones and all the white ones are small ones. So that shows a very nice bear trend coming in with a slope direction line bearish. Strong dollar, stock market bearish. Bearish. Sorry, strong dollar, stock market bearish. So I would like to see a retest of this structure here, right between the 50 and 61% level, and then I'll look for some shorts. Aussie CAD. Nice swing, brand new trend starting. Aussie, suddenly the black sheep. It was up there and suddenly the black sheep of the market. CAD, the neutral one. I'm not that much after it, but I'm after an Aussie short here. And by shorting this, I will get an Aussie short. So if I get a retracement back to this market structure here, it actually started there already. But if I can get it back here, between the 50 and 61% level, that's the area I'm going to start to look for some shorts on nice candle pattern reversals. In the US CAD, swing from this low to that high, nicely done. Retracement between 50 and 61%. Right at structure here, resistance there, becoming support here. So when it gets back down there, I'm going to get interested, providing the dollar stays up there. Well, the CAD's not the one I'm after, but the dollar strength I'm after. So going long here will give me that position. Then on the pound US, this last big swing, the retracement back to 50, 61%. Market structure support. And then resistance. So when it gets back up there, I will see how the market responds. I want to be short here, but not from these levels. I would like to get a retracement and then I'll consider some shorts. In the Aussie US, nice swing down the page, retracement back to 50, 61% level, support, support, almost support, resistance there. Now if you look at the Aussie, the black sheep, dollar, absolute all the sparkle. So we need a retracement, which highly unlikely that it's going to happen today, but I keep it on my watch list. But if it gets up there, I'll be ready for it on a counter reversal. In the Euro Swiss, same as yesterday, I pointed out these two levels. Euro neutral, not after that one, but the Swiss. The Swiss long I want, so shorting the Euro Swiss will give me a long on the Swiss. So if it retraces back to any of those two levels, I'll be really interested in shorting this. So, but I'll have to wait patiently. I don't want to short here right at the support levels. I first wanted to go back, test that level, and the base must prove for themselves. The New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand Swiss, similar scenario. You can see New Zealand, red zone, Swiss, green zone, second best against the second worst. So the retracement back to this structure here, you can see it started there, was resistance, support, and there was also a little bit of support and support. So when it gets back up there at the 50% level, I'm definitely going to have a look at it if I can get some counter reversals there. But for that, I need the New Zealand in the red zone and I need the Swiss in the green zone. And my favorite trade idea for today is the potential long on the pound Australian dollar. But if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. So getting to the pound Australian dollar, pound green zone and the Aussie are in the red zone. Now I like this because it's a brand new trend, nice trending coming down. You see strong trend consolidation, strong trend consolidation, and now the trend is reversed. Brand new trend. So wave 1 is in, so a retracement here could give us the start of a wave, Elliott wave 3, which would be a very nice big move. So I'm pretty into this. Also, we got a little double bottom here, which is a little bit of a continuation or a triangle. You can even call this a triangle if you want to, but just showing that the trend is reversing either on a double bottom or then this triangle pattern, which was a very early pattern, showing us that the trend is going bullish. Not that I would have traded that. But now, on the retest, market formed brand new structure here. You can see all the support, resistance. So this is a very strong level. So if this can retrace us back here, and the pound can stay in the green zone and the Aussie in the red zone, I'll then look for longs on some candle pattern reversals. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using personally since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.